The Modi government is facing sharp questions from the opposition over the India-US trade deal. And now, a fresh statement by the US President Donald Trump has added more fuel to the fire. Hello and namaskar, you're watching KTV India with me Varsha Venugopal, and today we are going to discuss about the India-US trade deal that went wrong. Trump has claimed that the trade agreement between India and the United States has been completely changed compared to the earlier terms. According to him, India will now pay tariffs to the US, while America will not pay any tariffs to India. He clearly stated that they will pay tariffs and we won't. He also said that earlier the situation was different, but we reversed it. Trump described the deal as a fair deal from America's point of view, while praising Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a great gentleman. He added that India had been benefiting from in the earlier arrangement and that the new terms correct that imbalance. The statement has triggered strong reactions in India. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi responded sharply on social media platform X. He accused the Prime Minister of already compromising and said the truth is now out in the open. He alleged that Prime Minister cannot negotiate firmly and would surrender again. The opposition is also raising serious concerns about the agricultural impact of the deal. Reports suggest that under this agreement, Indian markets will be open to American farmers at 0% tariffs. Critics say this could directly affect Indian farmers and create unfair competition. Opposition leaders are questioning whether the government signed the agreement under pressure. They are even demanding a clear response from the Prime Minister to Trump's remark. As political tensions rise, the big question remains: is this truly a balanced and fair trade deal, or has India given away too much? The debate is getting sharper and the pressure on the Modi government continues to grow.